All right, there might already be a video out showing how this works, but I'm going to make a new one anyways. So I'm open DB browser. I create new database, and I'm just going to see where I'm going to create it. This one's going to be created in the program files, okay? And I'm going to call it Marshall University, all lowercase. And I'm going to click save, okay? And this says you don't have permission to save here. Do you want to save it in the Brian folder instead? I'm going to click no, click on desktop, and just save it right in my 6296 folder. And I'm going to click save. Okay, that's the file I'm turning in. This file here, marshalluniversity.db. It's inside my desktop, inside a folder called 6296, Marshall DB. Now I'm going to make my first table. Remember, courses, plural. Okay, first field name, we're going to use snake case, course ID, singular. It's a primary key and it's auto incremented, meaning the primary key will be automatically assigned. I'm going to add another one called course name, and I'm going to change that to text. All right, I'm going to click OK. Okay, when I go to create my SQL, execute SQL, I'm going to create, this one's already here, so it kind of opens one. I'm going to save it. Okay, I click save. It's inside my folder. I'm going to call it assign commit 1 part, whatever part it is. If it's task 3 or part 2, whatever. So part 2, okay? And I'm going to put all of my SQL statements in one thing. Okay? So it'll tell you what to do. So if I'm, some of the assignments say put all the transactions here, like all the inserts, updates, and then put all the SQL statements like the select statements in another one. So I just want you to put them all right here, and I can look at every single one and see that they work. Okay. When I'm done with that, I can click write changes, and it'll write changes to the database, and I can close the whole thing, and then I will turn in this, and I will turn in this. Okay, that way I can open them up and get them to work. I don't want you, you're not going to go to file, you're not going to save it as a project, you're not going to do any of that stuff. Okay, so it's fairly easy. It just takes a little bit of getting used to. Okay, hope that helps.